Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by verifying network and account details, then jump into the app. Make sure the TV is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or router and note the SSID. Open the YouTube app and accept any update prompts. If it asks to sign in, complete login and any two-step verification. Once done, test a short video. If it plays, proceed to clean settings. If not, keep the app open and move to deeper fixes. Next, you'll perform the detailed fixes that actually resolve most issues. First, clear the app cache and data from the TV's application settings, then force close YouTube. This removes corrupted temporary files. If Playback still fails, uninstall and reinstall the app or apply a firmware update. These restore default behaviors. Inspect your router, reboot it, switch the TV to a less crowded 5 GHz band or set DNS to 8 to avoid ISP DNS problems. Once those changes complete, reboot the TV and retest Playback. Finish by bringing everything back online in the right order and verifying external paths. Power cycle both TV and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, plug router first, then TV, so DNS and network routes refresh. Test casting from your phone to confirm account and network are fine. If you use HDMI, swap inputs or cable to rule out hardware. If Playback still fails, reset only the YouTube app settings or reinstall again. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing works, recreate the issue while recording error codes or screenshots to speed support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.